2026 Mercedes Actros Megaspace, full review, road test and performance. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are taking a detailed look at the 2026 Mercedes Actros Megaspace, one of the most luxurious and technologically advanced long-haul trucks on the road. While it's not a bike, this heavyweight machine delivers premium comfort, impressive performance, and cutting-edge technology designed for professional drivers and fleet operators. The 2026 Mercedes Actros Megaspace immediately stands out with its bold aerodynamic design. The front fascia features an updated grille, intelligent LED lighting, and enhanced airflow management to improve fuel efficiency. The Megaspace cab remains one of the largest in the industry, offering exceptional interior room for long-distance journeys. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that feels more like a luxury apartment than a commercial vehicle. High-quality materials, premium seats, digital displays, ambient lighting, climate control, and multiple storage compartments create a comfortable working environment. The spacious sleeping area includes a premium bunk, making overnight trips far more comfortable. Under the cab, the 2026 Actros Megaspace is expected to feature Mercedes-Benz's latest Euro 7 compliant diesel engines. Power outputs range from approximately 450 to 630 horsepower depending on specification. The top-tier engine produces massive torque, allowing the truck to handle heavy loads with ease while maintaining smooth acceleration. Performance on the road is outstanding. The advanced PowerShift automated transmission delivers quick and efficient gear changes, while predictive cruise control uses GPS data to optimize fuel consumption. Steering is precise for a vehicle of this size, and the suspension system absorbs road imperfections effectively, improving driver comfort over long distances. During road testing, the Actros Megaspace demonstrates remarkable stability at motorway speeds. The cabin remains quiet thanks to enhanced sound insulation, reducing driver fatigue. Acceleration is strong for a heavy-duty truck, and overtaking slower traffic feels confident even when carrying substantial cargo. In terms of speed, the electronically limited top speed is typically around 90 km per hour or 56 miles per hour, depending on regulations and fleet settings. However, the real strength of the Actros lies in its pulling power, efficiency, and long-distance capability rather than outright speed. Technology is one of the biggest highlights. The latest multimedia cockpit features large digital screens, navigation, smartphone connectivity, voice controls, and advanced fleet management systems. Safety technologies include active brake assist, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, driver fatigue monitoring, and emergency braking systems. Fuel economy has also been improved through aerodynamic refinements and intelligent powertrain management. Fleet operators can expect lower running costs, while drivers benefit from a smoother and more efficient driving experience. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Mercedes Actros Megaspace is expected to start at around £130,000 in the United Kingdom, with highly specified versions exceeding £180,000 depending on engine choice, technology packages, and custom options. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes Actros Megaspace sets a new benchmark in the premium heavy-duty truck segment. With its luxurious cabin, powerful engines, advanced safety systems, impressive efficiency, and excellent road manners, it remains one of the most desirable long-haul trucks available today. Whether you're a fleet owner or a professional driver, the new Actros Megaspace offers a combination of comfort, performance, and innovation that is difficult to match. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.